Hi guys, it's been a week now since I owned the Onson's Robot Vacuum, the F007C Onson Robotic Vacuum. What do I think of it? I think it's great. It's so great. This is a big help really with me, saving me to hoover or vacuum downstairs every day. But I wouldn't replace this with my upright hoover because this robot vacuum cannot do the stairs. So I just would like to talk you through what it does. This has got a timer. You can schedule what timing would you like it to work automatically. So yeah, you can schedule the time and it'll run automatically. To charge this, from low bat to full charge, it takes about 300 minutes to fully charge, and you got a runtime of 120 minutes. I think that 120 minutes is plenty enough to do all the downstairs room because it picks all the dog hair, and what I like it most is the edge cleaning. Thoroughly cleans the edge as well. We got the spot cleaning here. Just click the spot cleaning and you just put Onson in the area where would you like it to clean, and it'll just spiral around for 2 minutes. Spiral around until it cleans the area, and it'll take about 2 minutes. And there's the small room cleaning. That will take about 30 minutes to clean. Let's say I only want to clean this bedroom. So I'll just press this one and it'll hoover the area for 30 minutes. Max cleaning, I haven't tried this one yet because I would normally just use the auto cleaning. There is more suction power to it. Yeah, overall, I'm really pleased with this Onson product. It's great to use. I use this every day. I would put this on in the morning normally before baby Layla wakes up in the morning. I'll put it on running in the lounge for about an hour. This is the boundary strips. It's a magnetic one. This is the boundary strip. It's just to isolate, let's say, you don't want this hoover to go into this area. You just lay this strip on the floor and it won't go over that area. This is the boundary strips. Yeah, I got two of this. It's 6 feet, I think. 2 of this. And just to let you know, guys, this is not a sponsored product. And please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. And thank you so much. And again, this is Onson F007C. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys. Bye.